To add a Flipbook to your Wix website, follow these steps. Choose a Flipbook app. Go to the Wix app market and search for a Flipbook app. Popular options include Flipbook or ISSUU. Select the app that fits your needs. Install the app. Click Add to Site and then follow the prompts to install the app onto your Wix site. Upload your content. Once the app is installed, open the app's dashboard. Upload your PDF or images that you want to turn into a Flipbook. Many apps allow you to simply drag and drop files from your computer. Customize the Flipbook settings. Customize the look and feel of the Flipbook, such as the page turning effect, layout, and other visual settings. Some apps offer features like zoom or sound effects. Place the Flipbook on your site. Once your Flipbook is ready, click the Add button in the Wix editor and select App from the list. Choose the Flipbook app you've installed, then drag and drop it to the desired location on your page. Preview and publish. Preview the Flipbook to ensure it works correctly. If satisfied, click Publish to make it live on your Wix site.